Here we have a 2017 17 plate Mercedes-Benz GLE 350D 4MATIC AMG Line Premium Plus. Now with this vehicle you get 4 superb, unscratched, unmarked alloy wheels. Now they are the 21 inches and are in gloss black. We have your LED headlights, the black Panoramic style front grille, the matching black front badge. Now on this vehicle you do get the night pack styling, so you get the black front splitter with your black wing mirrors, black window trim and your privacy glass on the rear. Now being the Premium Plus you do also get the panoramic sunroof. We have side steps on either side, front and rear parking sensors with 360 cameras, one that pops out behind the Mercedes badging, 2 underneath the wing mirrors and 1 in the front grille. Now this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches and really does look superb from every angle. If I go to the rear I'll give you a quick look at the interior of this vehicle. Now we do have the full leather seats throughout with the white stitching, isofix points, pull down armrests, you have the storage pan passenger driver's seat with the electric windows on the doors. Going to the front where you can find your driver and passenger seats which are fully heated, electric and memory. You have the electric memory function on the doors with electric part folding mirrors, auto lights, keyless start, multifunction steering wheel, paddle shifter if you wish to take the car into manual mode. Screen just in the centre where you can see your satellite navigation. You have your Bluetooth meter, Bluetooth audio connectivity, DAB radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and you can also find your 360 cameras. In the centre you have your heated seats and also your dual zone climate control. You also have your gloss black trim and also your off-road settings just there, where you can also raise and lower the suspension on this vehicle, as you do have the 4MATIC suspension, or the AMG suspension as I should say. Now this vehicle is free. Available to take away today with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HBI clear, comes a fresh service, new MOT, and we do offer competitive low finance. Thank you very much for watching.